Hi guys, welcome back to Kruze Club. Today we're taking a look at the Porsche 911 Carrera GTS. Starting at the front, you notice the aggressive air intakes on the front bumper, which help to feed cool air to the engine. Above those, the sleek matrix LED headlights provide excellent visibility and a sharp, aggressive look. The GTS rides on 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, which not only look great, but also provide a strong foundation for the car's exceptional handling. At the back, the GTS features sleek LED taillights and a sporty rear diffuser, which helps to generate downforce. The twin exhaust pipes add a touch of aggression to the car's rear end. The car is powered by a 3-liter twin-turbo flat 6 pushing 473 horsepower and 570 Nm of torque. That's it for our exterior review of the Porsche 911 Carrera GTS. Stay tuned for the next episode and thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share.